Hi everyone. Welcome back to English like Englishman. Modal verbs can be tricky, but today I'll show you how to use them easily. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident using these special verbs in your everyday English. Let's get started. Today, we're exploring 8 different modal verbs: can, could, may, might, should, must, will, and would. Let's start with the basics. What is a modal verb? Modal verbs are helping verbs that add extra meaning to the main verb. They help us talk about abilities, possibilities, permissions, and more. Ability. For example, she can swim. The main verb is swim and can tells us she has the ability. Possibility. Another example is he might come to the party. It shows that it's possible he will come. Permission. If you need permission, you might ask, "May I leave?" Obligation. And for obligations, you might say, "You must wear a seatbelt." Now, let's dive into each modal verb and see all the different ways we can use them. Can has 6 main uses. Ability. She can ride a bike. Negative ability. I can't ride a bike. Permission. You can use my car. Possibility. This road can be dangerous at night. Request. Can you help me with my homework? Offer. Can I get you something to drink? Could is very versatile with 5 uses. Polite request. Could you pass the salt? Suggestion. You could wear your pink suit. Past ability. When I was a kid, I could climb trees. Possibility. The concert could be canceled. Conditional. If I had more free time, I could travel more. May is used mainly for these 3 things. Permission. May I go to the restroom? Possibility. She may come to the party tonight. Wish or hope. May you live a long and happy life. Might helps with these 2 uses. Possibility. It might rain tomorrow. Suggestion. You might want to try updating your software. Should is great for advice and expectations. Advice. You should see a doctor. Expectation. We should arrive in about 30 minutes. Must is strong and has 3 key uses. Obligation. You must wear a seatbelt. Deduction. It must be a fake. Prohibition. You must not touch the paintings. Will is all about the future and promises. Future action. I will call you later. Promise. I will always love you. Offer. I will help you with that. Prediction. She will win the competition. Spontaneous decision. I will get the door. Would is used in 6 different ways. Polite offer. Would you like a cupcake? Polite request. Would you mind closing the door? Past habit. We would play outside every day. Conditional. If I were you, I would buy it. Future in the past. He thought he would finish earlier. Reported speech. She said she would dye her hair pink. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice using these modal verbs in your sentences. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to English like Englishman, and leave a comment with your examples using modal verbs. See you next time.